YouTube just changed how it rewards creators, and almost nobody is talking about it. Right now, brand new channels are making more money, getting more views, and growing faster than creators who've been uploading consistently for years. And no, it's not because they're working harder. It's because they found something, a pattern, a structure, that YouTube literally cannot stop pushing. Let me show you what I mean. Take this channel, Psychology Simplified. They started only 2 months ago, and they've already gained over 180,000 subscribers from just 45 videos. They're pulling in more than 1 million views every single week. And the craziest part, they're not using fancy editing, they're not showing their face, they're not doing anything complicated. They simply discovered a repeatable system, and they keep running it over and over again. Today, I'm going to break down the exact formula this channel uses, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to replicate it and start seeing results within the next 48 hours. This is where most creators fail before they even upload. They spend days obsessing over logos, brand colors, perfect banners, trying to look professional. But in this niche, none of that matters. What matters is eliminating decisions. So every upload becomes easier than the last. Start with your channel name. Use the channel name prompt from the document linked below. Paste it into ChatGPT. Generate a list and choose one that fits. For example, I'm going with the Clarity Institute. Next is your profile picture and banner. Here's the truth. In this niche, familiarity beats creativity. People don't need to be impressed. They need to feel safe clicking. So match the minimalist style your competitors are already using. Use the profile picture and banner prompt from the document. Paste it into ChatGPT. It will ask you some simple questions regarding the look of your channel. Once you answer them, it will give you 2 prompts. Profile picture image prompt and banner image prompt. Copy the prompts and paste them in Google Whisk. It will generate your profile picture and channel banner. Keep it simple and move on. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far and you want more videos showing you the exact YouTube systems that actually work, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if this video helps you, please like and share it, because it genuinely supports the channel and helps more creators find these strategies. All right, let's keep going. Idea generation is simple, but most people do it wrong. Here's the system. Go to the document, grab the video idea generator, paste it into ChatGPT, and choose how many ideas you want, then generate. Look at what it gave me. The psychology of people who replay conversations in their head for hours. That's perfect. It's relatable. It calls people out just enough, and it sparks instant curiosity. Now we write the script. For this style, I recommend using Claude AI. It's one of the best models for storytelling and tone. Grab the scripting prompt from the document. It already includes the delivery structure that works in this niche. Paste it into Claude. Insert your video idea and generate. This isn't about copying someone else, it's about understanding why the format works and applying the logic to your own uploads. Next is visuals, and this step is critical. If you get the style wrong, the whole video falls apart. Psychology Simplified uses a very specific look: minimalist, hand-drawn sketch style, clean and simple. Use the script to image prompt. Generate your image prompts. Then head into Whisk's Nano Banana model, paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and generate. Now your visuals instantly match a proven viral format. Now we have finished production with voiceover. I use 11 Labs, but any tool works. Just avoid robotic voices. This niche requires warmth. People need to feel understood by a real human. Choose a voice that sounds mature, friendly, calm. Set the model to V3 Alpha for more emotion. Paste your script and generate. Now it's time to put everything together. Open CapCut or any editor, drop your scenes and voiceover into the timeline. Adjust pacing if needed. Add subtle motion with keyframes. Use simple transitions for continuity, optional captions for retention, and soft background music at low volume. The goal is simple: keep the viewer engaged without overwhelming them. This is the difference between a video that gets traction and one that dies instantly. Thumbnail consistency beats creativity in this niche. Save a competitor thumbnail. Drop it into ChatGPT. Generate a new thumbnail prompt for your topic. Then create it in Whisk in under 5 minutes. You have a proven thumbnail system. If you're finding this breakdown useful so far, and you want more videos showing you the exact systems that are working on YouTube right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the like button. It takes 1 second, but it helps this video reach more creators who need it. Also, tap the little notification bell so you don't miss the next upload, because I'm going to be sharing more strategies like this that you can apply immediately